In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend a sent email in Gmail and save yourself from embarrassment. We've all been there, clicking send and immediately realizing there's a mistake in our email. Whether it's a typo, a forgotten attachment, or sending it to the wrong person, that sinking feeling can be quite the panic inducer. But don't worry, Gmail has a handy feature that can save the day, and I'm here to show you exactly how it works. First, let's start with sending an email as you normally would. Compose your message, double-check your recipient, type up your content, and then hit that send button. Now, this is where we need to pay close attention. Immediately after you send the email, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a little pop-up notification that says Message Sent, along with an undo option. This pop-up appears right after you send an email, and, fortunately, it's the gateway to retrieving your potentially problematic message. The key here is timing. You will only have a brief window, somewhere between 5 to 30 seconds, depending on your Gmail settings, to hit undo. So if you realize there's an issue, be ready to act fast. Clicking undo will instantly pull back the message you just sent. So, keep your eyes peeled right after you've clicked send. Once you've clicked the undo button, there's no need to panic anymore. The email will be moved back to your drafts folder, where you can find it ready for you to either edit or completely delete if the situation calls for it. This feature gives you the opportunity to correct any mistakes, add that forgotten attachment, or just take a moment to breathe and reconsider your words. Here's a pro tip. If you find that the undo window is too short for comfort, you might want to adjust the settings in your Gmail account. You can modify the cancellation period by going into the settings menu. There, under the General tab, you'll find the Undo Send option, where you can set the cancellation window to either 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds, whichever suits your needs best. Remember, while this feature is a lifesaver, it's always a good practice to double-check your emails before hitting send. However, knowing how to quickly unsend a message can give you that extra peace of mind in your day-to-day emailing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more handy tips just like this one.